This is an interactive whiteboard that businesses use for their real life meetings, virtual meetings, whatever meetings it is they are hosting. This device is the right device for them. So looking at this device, this is the home screen. You can see the menu, the whiteboard, the browser, the finder, and the apps. You can install as many apps as it is you want to install on this device. It looks like a TV, but I promise you it's not a TV. It's not a smart TV. It is better than a smart TV. It also has a camera for a virtual meeting. So if you have a virtual meeting, the camera will turn on and then you host your virtual meeting. Let's go to the primary function of this device, which is the whiteboard. It comes with two pens, meaning two people can write on the board at the same time. Two people can control the board at the same time. Moving on from that, we click on the whiteboard, and then our screen pops up to the board. So this is our board. We can decide to change the background of our board to whatever color it is we want. We want it to be a black board, no problem. We want it to be a gray board, no problem. You want it to be a navy green board, no problem. You want it to be a white board, no problem. So we can always change the background of your board. And then coming to write on the board, all I just have to do is scribble my pen. I can even use my hands to write on it, as you can see. I use my hands to write on it. If I want to change the color of what I have written, I can always change it. I want to change the color, let's go with yellow. I can always change the color, let's go with green. Whatever color it is you want, you can always choose from the options available to you. Another interesting thing about this device is you can always zoom for people at the back, just in case people say they can't see what it is you're writing. And always, all you just have to do is expand your screen and pinch it. Expand, pinch. If you're done with your meetings and you want to save your file, what happens? You can always come to the file option, click on save, boom, saved. Interestingly, this device has 32 gig storage memory, meaning you can store as many files as possible. Imagine the number of things you can do with this device. Moving on from the whiteboard, all we just have to do is go back home and come to the app icon. You can see the Play Store here. You can use it to install whatever the apps it is you want to install on this device. You can see we already have the Zoom app installed here. If we have a virtual meeting, now we just have to just click on the Zoom and it's working. Why don't you get the ZKTeco IWB today?